Alright, so in this video, I'll show you how to fix lag and high ping in Valorant. So if you find this video helpful in any way, I would really appreciate it if you could like the video and even subscribe for more content like this. I hope these tips help as much as they did for me. Now let's get right into it. Frequent connectivity problems often stem from issues with the connection or internet itself. A primary solution is to initiate a reboot of your modem or router. Allow it to remain powered off for at least 60 seconds to ensure a proper reset. Another troubleshooting step involves flushing your DNS and performing a winsock reset. To do this, access the Start menu and research for CMD. Right-click on the command prompt and select Run as Administrator, then grant permission if prompted. Subsequently, input each command listed here one by one. Alternatively, you can copy and paste the commands from the provided link in the description. Remember to hit Enter after entering each command and allow sufficient time for each process to complete. Once all commands have finished executing, restart your computer before attempting to play Valorant again. If you still encounter lag issues in Valorant, follow these steps. Number 1. Open the Start menu and search for Control Panel, then open it. Number 2. Ensure the View by option is set to Category, then select View Network Status and Tasks. Number 3. Choose your connection from the list on the side. Number 4. Open the properties of your connection. Number 5. Select Internet Protocol version 4, TCP/IPv4, and open its properties. Number 6. Check the option to use the following DNS server addresses. Number 7. Now you'll need to choose a DNS server to use. Typically, Google or Cloudflare DNS servers are recommended. For Cloudflare, set the preferred DNS server to 1.1.1.1 and the alternate DNS to 1.0.0.1. For Google, set the preference DNS server to 8.8.8.8 and the alternative DNS to 8.8.4.4. Click OK when you're done, then try playing Valorant again to see if the issues persist. If lag, high ping, or packet loss persist, we suggest revisiting the network properties and reverting to the default DNS settings. Additionally, close any applications like Chrome that might be utilizing your internet connection. Some applications might continue running in the background, so ensure they're completely closed, but avoid closing anything unfamiliar. Whether possible, consider using an Ethernet connection for stable connectivity. However, if Wi-Fi is your only option, check if your routers offers both 2.4 GHz and 5 GHz options. Navigate to Wi-Fi settings from the Start menu to explore available networks. In most cases, connecting to the 5 GHz option yields faster speeds, ideal for gaming. Yet, if you're far from your router, the 2.4 GHz option might be preferable. Updating network drivers could also resolve issues. Search for Device Manager in the Start menu. Locate the Network Adapters category and select your adapter. Right-click to update drivers, allowing the system to search automatically. Restart your computer if prompted. Ensure you're not connected to a VPN, as even closed VPN programs might maintain an active connection. Disconnect and attempt to play Valorant again. Limiting active devices on your networks while gaming could alleviate issues, though it's less likely to be the cause of sudden lag or ping spikes. By addressing these steps, lag, high ping, and packet loss issues in Valorant should be resolved. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like it and explore more Valorant content. Thanks for watching.